Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today is a great day to wash my car. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try a car washing video. It's probably not gonna be very good like some of the professionals you see on YouTube, but I'm gonna try my best with just my little GoPro. Alright guys, so I just want to give you a little walk around of what it looks like beforehand. And on video it always looks cleaner than it really is. But if you can see there, very dirty. So look, just for reference, look at that. Super dirty. Tires are extremely dirty. Sun's shining a little bit, but it's extremely dusty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see the dust. Then the back end is really dusty and dirty. Exhaust tips need to be polished up. Because I haven't cleaned this in a long time. And it hasn't been through rain. It's just in Vegas we get a lot of dust. This one you can really see how dirty the tire is. You can see right there. Super dirty. So we're gonna get all this taken care of. Front end, got a little bit of water spots, dust spots, pecks. Alright guys, so this isn't really dirty inside, but I'm gonna spray this out just to make sure it's nice and clean. I do have 2 buckets, but I don't do like a 2-bucket method or anything like that, or grit guards. Obviously it's not gonna be like perfect, but I feel like I do a pretty decent job. So let's go ahead and spray this John out. You're probably wondering why it looks like that. I think it has something to do with like the salt, or we have to have a water softener here in Vegas, so I don't know what that's about, but it does that every time. By the way guys, I do have a spray ceramic coating by HydroSilex on here, and normally I'd use the HydroSilex car wash soap, but I just found out that we're out, so we're just going to use normal car wash soap today. Here we go. Not too much, not anything crazy. Oh, it's like really goopy. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, that's good. I forgot what this soap is like. I didn't know I was out of the HydroSilex soap. By the way, all the stuff I use will be in the description of all my videos. Alrighty, now we can just spray down the car first. You guys get the point. I'm gonna spray down the whole car. Alright guys, so I got a nice cleaned off microfiber wash mitt. Just gonna go ahead and put this John up in here. A good rule of thumb is to start from the top down. I'm trying to do this with one hand because I'm holding the GoPro. There we go. Ooh, there's a lot of soap up in this one. I might have put too much. And then go in like a straight kind of motion. You don't want to go in circles. Ooh, this looks really nice. So just like this. Nothing crazy. And like I said, you do want to work from the top down. That's the best method I heard. And that's how I've been doing it ever since I've been washing my car. Then I'll do kind of like the upper silhouette here. By the way, you can have all your own different methods of washing your car. This is just how I do it. And usually I get pretty good results. Get the mirror in there. Get that all nice and shined up. I think that's good for now. So that's good for the top part of the car. Actually, we'll get this half of the trunk real quick and the spoiler. But yeah, not rocket science. Just don't go in swirl marks. Or I should say, don't go in circular motions because you might create swirl marks. Okay. All right, just thought I'd come in and show you guys how well this ceramic coating, spray ceramic coating has been holding up. You can see a lot of cool water beading and stuff. So that's good. And this has been on here for a while. I haven't done a new coat in like 5 months. Let's see what it looks like. See, the water rolls right off. And this is with an old coating, mind you. So it's definitely not bad, but I need to redo it. All right, guys, thought I'd try to take a thumbnail picture here. Because who doesn't like seeing a foamy blue Mustang? There we go. All right, guys, now it's time to do the wheels. We'll do this back one first. I just sprayed it down so you can see how dirty it looks right here. Just got my dirtier wash mitt in here, the one I use for tires. Here we go. This is all I do. Nothing crazy. I know some people might be tripping over this, but it's really this simple. You don't have to do anything crazy. Because even though like you can use brushes and all that, and I have some brushes actually that I'm about to use, this is just to kind of get the majority of the dirt off. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, so here's a little brush. It's called like a Speed Master or something like that, to get into the barrels of the wheels. If you guys want to go a little bit more in depth with it, that's all you got to do. And it's really cool because it can fit behind the brake caliper. So you can see there, you can get it right up behind the brake caliper. So now your barrels will be nice and clean. Here's something that my dad just bought. It's some, sorry, it has a bunch of soap on it because my hands are so soapy. But it's called Chemical Guys All-Purpose Cleaner. So we're gonna use my little brush here and see how it does on the tire here. Oh wow, it's really green. That's interesting. Oh, very green. At least you get to see where it is. We'll get a little bit on there. And let's see how it does. Hands are all slippery. Okay, here we go. Hope it's doing something. I think it is. Oh yeah, I can see the dirt coming off. Because my tires were very dirty, as you guys could see in the before pictures. Yeah, you can see there, it's kind of dirty. All right, let's see how this comes out. I love rinsing all this stuff off after you get done cleaning it. Looks good as new. By the way, don't forget to clean your exhaust tips. I like having nice shiny exhaust tips, so we're gonna get these all cleaned up. All right, guys, I just got myself a damp microfiber, so now you just gotta dry it off. A lot of people don't like the drying stage, but I actually kind of like the drying stage because then you get to see the results. See, there we go. Now this side's dry. Well, somewhat dry, but I'm gonna finish the whole car and then I'll get back to you guys. Got the car all dried up, and I'll show you guys the next day, tomorrow, what the car looks like in the sun. But right now we're just gonna do glass cleaner. This is the glass cleaner I use. It works really good. What I suggest doing is spray the glass cleaner down, wipe the surface, and then flip the towel over and like buff it out or get the streaks out, if that makes sense. All right, guys, last but not least, I use Chemical Guys VRP for my tire shine. I just put some on this microfiber applicator pad right here. This is really useful for putting on tires. You can see the tire there. It's pretty dry, so you can go ahead and what I like to do is I like to slowly get the stuff on as I go around like that. There we go. That should be on everywhere. So now you just go like this. And this is a really fun stage too because you see instant results. And for the bottom part, you might be wondering how you get the tire shine on the bottom right there. I actually roll the car backwards to do the top part. I know that might seem kind of extra, but I like doing that. This is why you need to roll your car back. Look at this whole area right here that I would have missed with the tire shine if I didn't roll it back. Thought I'd show you guys real quick what I use for my spray ceramic coating. I'm doing a new coat here. This is called HydroSilex Recharge. And then if you have, if you're doing it for the first time or you just want to have a clean slate, you can use the Rewind. It gets rid of all the like greases and oils and previous waxes and stuff, so that this can form a nice bond on the surface. So I'll show you guys what I do here. I have 2 rags, one to wipe it on there and then one to buff it off. And I have them labeled 1 and 2 so I don't get them mixed up. But you just spray like this on the surface right here. Simple as that. And then grab your towel here. I'm trying to do this all with one hand because I'm holding the GoPro. Stuff works really good, as you guys can tell from before I washed the car. The water was still beating off, or I should say beating up on the surface really well. And that was after 5 months of being in Vegas. And Vegas is probably like the worst place for a coating like this, as far as like the UV rays and everything like that. So I just do this, get this all taken care of like that, and then I use my buff towel right here to buff it off. Simple as that. And I do that on the whole car. You can also do it on the glass, the wheels if you want. This stuff works really good and it's really slick afterwards, which I really like. Alright guys, so it is the next day, and look how clean this John looks. Oh, there's still water dripping out the front. Just ignore that, but super clean. Give you guys a little walk around, kind of standing in the way here. Got the tires all shined up. Then take a look at the side and everything. Velocity blue in the sun is very nice, if I do say so myself. All nice and cleaned up. But yeah, very simple. So I hope you guys enjoy my little quick car washing video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Think I did a good job? You think I screwed everything up? Let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.